Hello everybody, I'm Dominator135 and welcome to what once, a long time ago, it's called the Corner of Solitude. Now if you don't know what I'm referring to, or if you're on my blog, that is a relevant video that will pop up in that corner. You want to find out how to make a YouTube video. Well, first of all, there's a few things that you may need. First, you may need a camera. Now, it can be any type of camera, as long as it records. It can be as high quality as this camera, or even higher quality because there's extremely powerful cameras. Or it can be as powerful as the phone camera on this phone. Either way, that's what you need first. Lighting, don't worry about that if it's your first video because, well, I'm still trying to figure that out and I'm kind of giving up on this corner of solitude type thing, but you may need an editing software. Now, an editing software is good because you can edit stuff, you know, because you may need to edit stuff, just like I am editing this video right now. But other than that, you'll want to edit stuff, you want to be able to edit stuff. That means that you want to cut out parts where you stop talking for a bit, like that. You would want to cut that out. Emphasis on cut that out. But of course that's just an example, but other things that you can do is, well, you can put in a random video right here.
So, I forgot that you...
Yeah, that was an amazing video. I don't even know what I put up. You want to make edits so then you can, if you get off topic, you can just edit it out. Like this one time, other things you can do are skits. Now, those skits are usually like a short video, tend to be probably 2 to 5 to 8 minutes, if that. Now, don't worry about the time because you don't know how long it's gonna be, so usually they tend to be within that time span, but if you get one longer, then for skits that are like more intense and stuff, they tend to be a little bit longer. Sometimes they just don't make sense. Other times they're to unravel some long thing that also doesn't make sense. But other than that, like, there's a few examples like you could do, like, what can you do with 100 pop figures? Really, they're just dumb random ideas. You can also get a bunch of your friends together that are really dumb and funny, because that's what friends are for, and just bounce a bunch of dumb ideas off each other, because those are always the funniest. You'll end up with something random and stupid, because nobody knows what's going on. You can also do pretty much anything with your channel. No matter what, somebody will watch it and will get you views, and then that's good for you. Because the more views you get, the more success you can feel. So that's really all you need to make a YouTube video. A phone or camera, footage, because that's, I know what you're editing, something to edit with, because you need something to edit that footage with, and finally, friends. Because then you can bounce off ideas off of each other, and then you can take their ideas and mash them all up into a creation of your own, and then take credit for your friend's creation, and then take that and make money off of it. But that may be the hardest one to find. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to see more, click one of the 2 videos that will pop up right here in like 10 seconds or 20 seconds or however long it takes for me to say this. And if you want to read more of my blog, there will be a link down below, and click one of those 2, and if you want, you can subscribe, and if the other, you want to check out my blog and learn more stuff about YouTube and other stuff, go right ahead. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to see more, click one of the 2 videos, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye!